Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. And over the last several months, and one of them was just this morning, somebody asked, and I agree, sometimes the rulers are pretty hard to see. I mean, what I do is take a guideline if I want to really get where I'm close, and I'm going to have to turn my guidelines on. And then let's say I want to put that guideline to, well, let's just tell you what, let's nudge it. Let's nudge it 1 inch. Got my numbers, pal. And then we could take that guideline and nudge it 1 inch to the right. But is it dead on? But then I always just zoom in real close to that point, and then I can see that it's 1 inch. Well, I didn't really know how to do this, but it's so simple. I contacted my contact at Corel, and he said the only way to really do it is maybe for a beginner or somebody who's really doing some good detail work, I don't like it particularly, but go to Tools, Options, Customization, and right there, the first screen is Appearance, and let's move this kind of out of the way for a second. And this is basically changing the interface of it, but let's just jump it up to like 125%, and you can see the rulers. I mean, you could get it real big, but then you're not going to have much work. And then when you do that, it's so big, you're going to have trouble pressing OK because it's out of the picture. So if you get, there, you say, okay, now my rulers are quite a bit bigger. I mean, we're at, quite a bit bigger, and I can see that that's on 1. I can see that that's on 1, and so on and so on. So just go to Tools, Options, Customization, and the first thing that clicks up should be the Appearance. And I don't know that you can go to, on my computer at least. Oh, there it is. Let's go real high. There it is. Now, the only thing bad with that, you don't really have much room to work. You can't even, now your subject is going to be smaller. Of course, what interface did, it changed everything. And this might be a pretty good way to learn. I mean, things I don't like about it, you lose all these tools because they're so big. Now, you could always find these tools with these double arrows, and there's all the tools that are below there. And, there's other ways around that. So I don't really suggest this, but it is an option. So I'm going to set mine back by see its tools are way over here now, Options, Customization. And I'm going to set mine back to it. And you can actually go 100 or just see it right for default, and it'll go back to 100. So whenever you need to really use the ruler, just kind of zoom in. And I was just checking, see, I'm not really on 1 inch when I moved it a while ago. Anyway, I hope that answered their question, and thank you for watching.